approaching the city gardens to take the salute now to the 6th annual Umrah. The third contingent approaching the city gardens is the Civil Defense and Home Guard. The Home Guard contingent led by Guardsman Bante Boklingo comprises of 33 Home Guards volunteers recently through our first-hand experience of security duty when they are importantly attached with the Ringham Police for the upcoming Assembly election next month. Museum Higher Secondary School, Mount NCC Cadet Boys and Girls, with its commander, Mr. Kershash Prophet. Approaching the security last to take the salute now is the Bhoi Bharat Scout and Guide Boys and Girls, with its commander, Malanskam Karbani. Salute now is the Christian Higher Secondary School Boys and Girls, with its commander, Purmanster Wanya. Arriving in front of the salute with its commander, Mr. Ramchan Raj Tiwari. And arriving in front of the sleeping dais to take the salute now is Iaka. Now the sleeping dais from Nakwa Nepali Secondary School, Boys and Girls. Next, arriving in the sleeping dais from RPC Higher Secondary School, Boys and Girls. Arriving next in the sleeping dais is RPC English Secondary School. Arriving next in the sleeping dais is St. Paul Higher Secondary School. Now arriving in the sleeping dais, arriving in the sleeping dais now is JNP number 1, Great Commander Sister. Arriving in the sleeping dais is JNP number 1, Mrs. Sissy Grace Monica.
Kari Bhoi District Rengkat Bat Kari Hi Barok Kawai Kala Rakhe Yaka Republic Day Kabah Nyob Hosau Haka Arpo Hunreu Terik Ukala Lengkot Arajar Arpo Lai Yaka Bala Penlong Hamadan NSCA Paham Siem Nong Po Haka Negasngi Lasaki Yaka Jing Yashim Benta Kabashir Hem Daki Pajba Ka District Ki Kena School Naki School Baper Hakabau Arpit Upadaya Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi ula Shimbenta kumu Kongsan ban penher ya ka lama lairong jongkari batru ban shim ya ka salute haka jingya march pass daki kena school ki pulen NCC bat ki Bharat Scouts and Guides bat haka negas ngi la sakhiru daka jingdon lang ugiri Prasad Superintendent of Police ke Ribhoi lembat ki wei ki officer naka district bat la pensyet pensngan bat pensyong syet ye ki pajba daka jingya shim benta jong ki kena school haki cultural program lingba ki jingrwai bat ki jingshat baper naka liang ki bor penyat district kila samru ye ki khosnam she ki nong job haka jing pen inam ye ki tablo haka ba katanat ka kot ka kia kala yora ye ka kardan ban ningkong katanat fisheries haka kardan baar bat katanat election haka kardan balai kat baha ka march pass ka school JNV Nyang Bari kala yora eka kerdan baningkong ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School haka kerdan baar bat ka Ribhoi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School haka kerdan balai.
The largest democratic republic. Our constitution is a testament to the values of democracy, justice, liberty and equality that have guided our nation since its inception. As citizens of India, we are protected by the fundamental rights that are enshrined in our Constitution. We must also remember our fundamental duties which are provided in Part 4A of the Constitution in Article 51A. Republic Day is a time for all the Indians to come together and celebrate the values and principles that make our country great. It is a time to remember the sacrifices and struggles of our freedom fighters and to reaffirm our commitment to build a better, more prosperous and inclusive nation of all. Let us fondly remember the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, who always regarded humanity as his religion and showed us the path of peace and non-violence to fight for freedom of our great nation. There is no greater sacrifice known to a man than giving up his life to defend the integrity and sovereignty of the nation. Let us also remember the supreme sacrifices made by martyrs in our freedom struggle. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. On this day, let us also pay homage to all the patriots of Meghalaya, who Tirot Singh, who Gyan Myangba and Pa Togan and Sanma. I would also like to express my gratitude to the members of the armed and the paramilitary forces and the Meghalaya police for their selfless services rendered for the safety and security of our citizens.
Management of common communicable disease and outpatient care for acute simple illness and minor ailments, screening, prevention, control and management of non-communicable diseases, care for common of-blood pneumonic and ENT problems, basic oral health care.
To promote an water supply infrastructure funds for regular or